Gusto ko magtayo ng negosyo pero natatakot ako. Hi guys, my name is Ai and I am a small business owner and a franchisor and also a content creator. And now I am here to help you guys overcome your fear of starting a business. Ibig sabihin, nasa stage ka na talaga na kailangan ko lang ng validation. Nakita ko yung video ni Ai. Ganun. Number 2, shift your mindset. Ang maia-advise ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magpalaban doon sa failure na yan. Gamitin nyo siya to create a new strategy in your business. Every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Ask yourself, what can I learn if things don't go as planned? Kung napapanood mo to and you're in the situation na you're planning to start up a business, this is your sign na mag-start ka na ng business. But, like I said, make a roadmap. Plan ahead. Make a business plan. Ang paniniwala ko sa totoo lang, if ang mindset mo sa pagnenegosyo bahala na, you're not doing business. You're gambling. Okay? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more or know more about business tips or anything na under ng aking niche, feel free to comment below, subscribe, follow my Facebook page, join my community Millennial Negosyante, and subscribe here because we millennials are the future success stories. Bye-bye!